So this is going to be a little video on how to cancel the units in the ideal gas law. So here's our ideal gas law. Here's R, 0.08206 liter times atmospheres over mole times Kelvin. And then I just made up some numbers here for pressure, volume, temperature, and we're going to try to find what N is. So we can rearrange the ideal gas law and get N equals pressure times volume divided by R times temperature. And then we can plug the numbers in. 1 atmosphere, 1 liter, R down here, 0.08206, and then we have this fraction, liter atmospheres over moles times Kelvin, and then the temperature over here, 100 Kelvin. Now, if we just do the math here, get rid of the numbers, which is not really the point of it, but we'll do that. I come up with 0.12, and then let's look at what happens with the units. So the units I have are atmospheres and liters in the numerator, and in the denominator I have a fraction, liter atmospheres over moles times Kelvin, and Kelvin. So when we have a fraction in the denominator, the best way to straighten things out is to pull that out, invert it, and multiply. So this is going to be the same as 0.12 atmospheres, liters over Kelvin. So this is the part I'm leaving alone, and then I'm pulling out that fraction and I'm tipping it upside down because that's a math thing. And so I have mole Kelvin over liter atmospheres. Now my atmospheres cancel, my liters cancel, my Kelvins cancel, and I'm left with moles, which is the unit for N. And everything's good.